Welcome to NDN Art Books. Hi friends, today we will draw and paint cute chick bird. Let us start draw the eyes. And then the beak. Then the head and the body. And the wing. And then we will put a basket right here for placing a flower. And then the two legs. And we will put a ribbon right here. And then we will put flower right here. And then another flower here. And the sun right over here. And we will add wooden arrow sign right here. And done sketching. And now we will start coloring or painting. Let us start with the sun with the color yellow. And then the head, and down to the body of the chick bird with the color yellow. And then the ribbon with the color of red. And we will put a little bit color of the flower with the color of red, the stem seed. And then the ribbon with the color pink. And the basket with the color pink. Of course, color brown. And then the stem color brown too. And the petals of the flower is red. And the leaf is green. Yellow. And then the beak with color of orange. And lastly is the two cute eyes with the color blue. And that's it, we are done. Yay! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Until our next video, bye.